Sink is used for washing dishes, preparing food, cleaning fruits and vegetables, and managing various kitchen tasks involving water. A well-maintained sink provides efficient drainage, prevents water damage, and ensures a hygienic kitchen environment. It can become clogged due to the buildup of food scraps, grease or soap scum, which obstructs water flow. Regular maintenance helps prevent such blockages, keeping the sink functioning properly. By using effective methods and tips, you can easily unclog your sink. Baking soda and vinegar are effective for unclogging sinks because their fizzing reaction helps break down debris and dissolve mineral buildup. Firstly, pour some boiled water into the sink, then add 1 cup of baking soda and also put cup of vinegar. Leave it for 20 minutes. Then pour more boiled water into the sink. Finally, run warm tap water to clean the unclogged kitchen sink. This method will help you easily unclog your kitchen sink. Baking soda helps unclog sinks by acting as a mild abrasive that scrubs away debris and grease, while its alkaline nature neutralizes acids and dissolves buildup. Fill a pot with water and microwave it for 3 minutes to boil. Pour the boiled water into the sink, and then add some dish detergent. Sprinkle baking soda into the sink and let it sit for 5 minutes. Next, pour 2 cups of white vinegar into the sink and allow it to sit for a few minutes. The bubbling action will help loosen the debris. Finally, run hot tap water to flush all the debris down the drain. If the sink is still not draining properly, repeat the process. This method is effective for minor clogs and helps keep your sink in good condition. A drain clog dissolver breaks down and dissolves blockages caused by organic materials. It uses enzymes or chemicals to effectively clear clogs without mechanical tools. The highly effective formula of Green Gobbler Drain Clog Dissolver clears clogged drains and dissolves hair, toilet paper, flushable personal care wipes, soap scum, and other organic matter. It is a dual-chamber bottle with 2 pre-measured. For light clogs, use 1 pre-measured application in the clogged drain, and for tougher clogs, uses both pre-measured applications. Pour the solution slowly into the clogged drain. Allow the solution to work for 20 to 30 minutes. After waiting, flush the drain or toilet with water to clear the clog. This product will give you amazing results. By using simple methods and right products, you will easily unclog a kitchen sink.